I'm coming.
Mainit na mainit ba? Nilagay, hindi ata mainit naman dong. Ito na yung pinakamainit.
Oh! You gotta put it in my tube. Kumandila na yung nakat?
Malamig yung tubig eh. Ay, grabe.
You get used to it, Mom.
Ha?
You get used to it.
Ah, okay.
Bro, Jay, after I pushed Jade in and she went face first into the water. She popped up in the
So we can buy, if we, are we going to Lowe's today? Okay, we can buy another floaties.
And he's getting a heater for the water.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna go.
Oh my, they're cold.
Get out first, rest.
Oh,
Why?
I get used to it. If I don't get used to it, then I'm just like, yeah.
No, you have to rest a little bit.
No, I don't. My hands aren't used to it yet. Can I have it? Bring with me. My pants is dirty. So cold, but I get used to it.
Yeah, that's good. So there's chlorine. Chlorine ba to?
No, there's no chlorine in it yet.
What is this one then?
This one is for the chlorine. That puts the chlorine tablets in.
Or did he put the chlorine tablets in?
No,
Not yet?
not yet.
Yeah, we have to. Are you cold? Yeah, see, you're cold.
I'm cold, but I'm getting used to it.
Okay, you wanna go now? You wanna take off your coat? Huh? Yeah. You can just play here. No, you don't need to go there now. You can just stay here. Huh? I know it's really cold. Maybe we can just buy a heater. Yeah, we're gonna.
Heater for a pool. Anton, are you coming in? Wait. So
Yeah, it's not really hot today. So,
I keep moving. That's why. You gonna go now?